In this series I'm sharing tasty and ultralight backpacking recipes. This means that the meals will have a high energy to weight ratio with just a few ingredients. They are fast and easy to make without having to carry extra cooking utensils. But the end result will be something you'll also love to make at home. Today's red curry with lentils is kind of a follow-up to my very first video, the red lentil soup with chorizo, and shares a lot of the same ingredients. But the meal does taste completely different because of the red curry and coconut cream. The ingredients weigh in at 7¼ ounce and deliver 780 calories. We'll start with cold soaking 3.5 ounces of dried red split lentils and half a cube of vegetable stock for 90 minutes in a cup of water. You can do this in a container like an old ice cream or peanut butter jar, a freezer bag, or something more fancy like a Fargo pot. When you are ready for dinner, heat half a cup of water in your cooking pot. If it's cold outside, the creamed coconut or santan will be solid. In that case, you can put it in the water so it becomes soft. Now add the cream, tomato paste, red curry paste, dried ginger, and freeze-dried garlic to the pot. Usually I'll take a clove of garlic, but since that needs to fry in some oil at the beginning of the cooking process, that would be quite inconvenient if your coconut cream is indeed solid. Cook for a minute while stirring and add the cold soaked lentils. Simmer or lightly boil it for another 3 minutes and your red curry with coconut and lentils is ready. I like to add a bit of cilantro at the end for color, and depending on your curry paste, you can add some chili flakes or perhaps a pop of pepper peel. Now, on to packing this meal for the trail. I put the split lentils and stock cube in a large freezer bag. The coconut cream is already in a bag of its own. The tomato paste and red curry paste can go in a Ziploc together. You can burn it shut for extra security. The freeze-dried garlic and ginger also go in a small Ziploc together. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.